someone mocks your dreams, you pause, smile, and respond with silence, not because you're weak, but because your peace is louder than their noise. This isn't some cheesy self-help trick. It's the art of Stoicism, used by emperors, warriors, and modern legends. And in the next 5 minutes, you'll learn the exact mindset shift to never get emotionally hijacked again, even in your worst moments. Most people today are emotional puppets. One notification ruins their day. One rude comment shatters their confidence. They live like emotional slaves, always reacting, never responding. And we've been brainwashed to believe that anger equals strength. But real strength is the ability to feel the fire and still choose not to burn the world down. The Stoics knew this. Now it's your turn. The 5 advanced Stoic shifts. Shift 1. Control what you control. Release what you can't. Some things are in our control, others are not. Epictetus. Modern anxiety comes from trying to micromanage the universe. You can't control what someone thinks about you, the weather on your exam day. If someone cuts you in traffic, but you can control your reaction, your discipline, your focus. Train your brain to instantly ask, is this within my control? If yes, act. If no, release. This is the Stoic filter. Use it daily. Shift 2. Perception is a weapon. Sharpen it. If you are distressed by anything external, it is not the thing itself, but your judgment of it. Marcus Aurelius. Let's say someone disrespects you in front of everyone. You have 3 options. 1. Get angry and lose control. 2. Get hurt and carry it all day. 3. Reframe it as a test of your training. Stoics don't avoid problems, they reframe them. Everything becomes a challenge, an opportunity to flex inner peace like a muscle. This insult? Just a sparring session for my self-mastery. Shift 3. Use negative visualization, pre-suffering. Most people get blindsided by life. The Stoics? They pre-suffered. Intentionally. It's called premeditatio malorum, premeditation of evils. Before a big day, they would imagine, what if I get rejected? What if I fail this task? What if they mock me? Not to attract it, but to mentally immunize themselves. So when life actually punches them in the face, they'd say, ah, yes, I've rehearsed this pain already, and respond with power, not panic. Shift 4. Train your triggers, emotional reps. Every time you get triggered is a rep in the gym of the mind. Someone makes you angry? That's a rep. Someone interrupts you? That's a rep. You're stuck in traffic? Congratulations, you've unlocked level 7 Stoic patience. The goal is not to be emotionless. It's to build so much emotional muscle that what used to bother you are now barely tickles. Shift 5. Memento mori. Remember you will die. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. Marcus Aurelius. This isn't meant to depress you, it's meant to awaken you. Ask yourself, would this argument matter on my deathbed? Would I care about this hate comment if I had 1 week to live? Am I trading peace for nonsense? When you zoom out far enough, you realize most problems are just noise. Stoicism is the volume knob. You don't have to fight every battle. You don't need to clap back at every insult. You don't need to prove yourself to people who don't even know themselves. Your peace is sacred. Your energy is rare. And you don't have to explain your silence to people who live loud in chaos. He who is calm has already won. Stoic Toolkit. Want to upgrade your Stoic game even further? Here are 4 daily habits to become a Stoic beast. 1. Morning rehearsal. What could go wrong today? How will I respond calmly? 2. Trigger journal. At night, write down moments you got angry. Ask, what story did I tell myself? Replace it. 3. Micro meditation, 2 minutes. Focus on breath. Observe thoughts, respond, don't react. 4. Read one Stoic quote daily. Let it guide your mindset. Tattoo it on your brain. This world wants you angry because angry people are easy to manipulate. But calm people? You can't buy them. You can't bait them. You can't break them. That's who you become when you choose Stoicism. And that's who you are becoming right now. Comment crown emoji if you're ready to master your mind. Tag someone who needs to hear this. And if you've ever been misunderstood, insulted, or overwhelmed, this is your sign to let go and rise. Like, share, subscribe. Not just for views, but to build a generation of warriors with calm hearts and clear minds.